Subscribe Sab Brokers. Hi guys, today we are going to see how to build perfect resume like this by using pages with step-by-step instructions. Don't skip the video so that you don't miss the steps. Let's create new document and select blank vertical page. Let's name the file as Sabracos CV. This can be built in Word too, using Windows. The same procedure is followed. For now, I am using MacBook Pages for building this resume. Now everything is ready and set to start building the resume.
Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
Now we are going to divide this page by creating some objects using shape option. As you see, there is a lots of shapes, but for now we are using the square shape. Click and drag the square shape to the left corner and expand 15% of the page and drag down all over until the bottom of the page. As you see, this is dark black color by default, but I am willing to change this color into some light color, which makes the resume looks better and easy to read. But I have the color combination which makes the eyes welcoming to read it comfortable. So I am importing the image using media and using the color picker and change the color accordingly. After using the image to pick the color, I have deleted the image. Select the shape and go to the Arrange tab and make sure the shape in stay on the page, and even you can lock the shape using lock button and so that the shape don't move for further works. Now we are importing the professional photo for the resume. Resize the photo as needed and make sure in Arrange it is stay on the page and make it lock so that the photo don't move. Next, we are going to use this text option and create separate text fields for each part so that it is comfortable to edit the particular part without disturbing the other text fields. In first text field, we are going to fill the contact details. I have few default details in my notes. Let me copy paste it so that I don't make the video too lengthy. Let's copy paste this contact details from notes. For the email, phone and location, I used some emojis to make it look better and details clear. Next, we are going to vertical stack the text fields one after one. So make use of the space correctly by arranging the text fields correctly. By creating the next text field, we are going to add the personal details. Just copy pasting the default personal details from the notes. For personal details, I have used some text bullets and arranged perfectly. Here you can see the text size for the contact is different from personal details. Let's make it similar as personal detail. Yeah, now it is fine. Let's stack another text field and fill the skills. Same as we are going to copy paste the skills from notes, but this time we are going to learn how to create those graphical bars showing the skills. In shapes, again select the square shape and resize into a bar shape. After resizing as you needed, instead of creating new bar, just copy paste the same bar so that the size are similar. Now Just make the first black bar into gray color and place the bar under the black one so that you have the flags to show level of the skill. Now select the each separate black and gray bars and make them into a single group. After grouping, you can use it as you need it, and as well as you can ungroup and adjust the levels at any time as needed. Now I am deleting this shape and rearranging the skill text field. Done, looks perfect. Just tacking another text field for the languages known. Copy pasting the languages as same from the default nodes. Here also the same process. We have to show the level of the language known. But this time we using circle shape for denoting the levels. In shapes, select the circle shape and resize the circle into small circle. Same as the bars, instead of creating new circle, just copy paste the same circle. Now just make the first black circle into gray color and place the circle under the black one so that you can adjust the size and show the level. Clearing the languages text field and trying to add for one language. Let me show quickly how to arrange the levels using the dots for one set so that you can arrange easily. Done. Like this, you can arrange as you need to showcase your level using different shapes too. Let's tag our final text field for hobbies. Just copy pasting the hobbies from nodes and arranging the text as similar to others. After our quick adjustments, our left hand side of the resume is completed perfectly. Let's jump to the right hand side and create a rectangle shape using the square shape like this. Now changing the color of the rectangle shape into light color and adding one more line shape to divide the rectangle like this. Now for the upper part of rectangle we adding our name and for the lower part of rectangle we adding our role. Yes, perfectly done now. Next, in the body of the resume, again we are going to stack the text fields separately for each section. Just copy pasting the default objectives from my notes. Next, we are going to stack the experience text field, copy pasting and arranging perfectly. Next, we are going to stack the text field regarding projects done from our notes. As you see, the left hand side bars disturbed because of right hand side text fields. Let's try to sort out the disturbed bars by rearranging the skills text field according to right hand side text field. Yeah, done. Perfect now. Now stack the next text field, which is education. We'll copy paste from nodes and arrange. Now we are going to insert a table for the certifications done. So for that, first we are going to make sure all the text fields are locked and don't move while inserting the table. Also, you can make them into a group like this. Now select the table and insert it as needed. As you see, The default size of the table makes that to move into next page. Let's make it small and rearrange the rows and columns as needed. Yeah, table is ready now. We'll move the table to the same page. Let's now fill the table with the certifications. Let me add title for the table. Yes, our table is ready now. Here you see there is a tick mark in certified column. You can also do that using the shapes. You can search for tick and you will find that and you can use it. Here almost our resume is ready. We are into the last text field. We are adding here few more details about the certifications. And now we are copying the final part of our resume from notes and pasting it. In most interviews, the screening part starts from the resume itself. While targeting big companies, will picking the details from your resume by this way. After a long researches and ideas from the mentors, we build this resume to clear the interviews easily. Try this way and get selected easily. Now we are going to export this into a PDF. Before that, make sure everything is locked and don't get messed up so that we can use it for the future changes. Now go to File and select Export to and select PDF. And make sure in PDF image quality is best. Click the Save button, select the location and export. Now let me open the PDF and show you how it is or how the image quality is. Here you see the image quality and bar levels created and tables seems all perfectly arranged. Here comes the perfect resume for your big career dreams. Hope you like this video. Let's study lot in pages using MacBook in upcoming pages videos. Danke, tschüss.